Tutorial number 2. Downloading the Rango app on Play Store.
Hi, I'm Alex from GoSense. Today we will learn how to download the Rango app on the Google Play Store. First of all, make sure that you have access to internet by enabling your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. In order to download Rango, first, open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Play Store is an app store available on all Android devices. In the search bar, at the top of the screen, search Rango GoSense, and then validate in order to launch the search. In the results list, search the Rango app and then select it. In order to start downloading the app, click on Install and wait. The download should take up to a few seconds. You know now how to download the Rango app on your Android smartphone. Until next time, see you soon!